Hey dirt bike fans! Today we're tackling one of the most common questions I get from parents and new riders. What kind of speed can you expect from a 50cc dirt bike? Whether you're shopping for your kid's first bike or just curious about these entry-level machines, I've got you covered. Let's cut straight to the chase. A 50cc dirt bike isn't going to break any land speed records, but that's exactly the point. These bikes typically cruise between 25 to 35 miles per hour, which is the sweet spot for learning the ropes. Some souped-up versions might touch 40 miles per hour, but let's be real, that's pushing it. Now, here's something cool that most people don't talk about. These little bikes are actually engineering marvels. They pack either a 2-stroke or 4-stroke engine, and each has its own personality. The 2-strokes, they're like caffeinated puppies, light, zippy, and full of energy. The 4-strokes? Think of them as the steady, reliable friend who's always got your back. You know what's really interesting about these bikes? They're like a science lesson on wheels. The speed you'll get depends on a whole bunch of factors. Think of it like baking a cake. You need all the right ingredients. Your rider's weight, the terrain you're tackling. Even the weather plays a part in how fast these machines will go. Here's a pro tip that might surprise you. The gearing on these bikes is actually adjustable. It's like having a secret performance button. Want more top-end speed? A smaller rear sprocket is your friend. Need better acceleration for those tight trails? Go bigger on the back. These bikes come with some clever safety features. Most have adjustable speed limiters, kind of like training wheels for speed. It means you can gradually unlock more performance as your rider's skills improve. The real magic of a 50cc isn't in its top speed though. It's in what it teaches. These bikes are perfect for learning throttle control, balance, and basic maintenance. Think of them as the kindergarten of dirt biking, where future champions start their journey. And speaking of starting journeys, I've got to tell you about RiiRoo.com. We've got an amazing selection of 50cc machines that are perfect for new riders. What I love about RiiRoo is they don't just sell bikes, they help you find the perfect match for your riding goals. Head over to RiiRoo.com, that's RiiRoo.com, and tell them I sent you.